know what you want to do this weekend. I mean, I have all these maps. You want to go like north, south, Ohio, West Virginia? Like, what do you want to do? Do we want to hike? Do we want to camp? Do we want to stay somewhere? I mean, I don't know. I'm out of ideas, babe. What should we do?
Just make a decision.
I always make the decisions. It's your turn.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Every week it's me.
No, I picked last weekend. And I picked Ohio Pile too. So it's your turn.
Maybe we should just use a dart and throw it at a map.
Oh, so you think just throwing a dart at a map is a great way to pick a location?
Yeah, I do.
Fine, then do it. So where are we going, Mr. Smart Guy? Looks like we're heading to Punxsutawney.
Punxsutawney, what's there?
Phil is there. Hi, I'm Amy.
And I'm Derek.
And
this is Wicked Adventure! Good morning!
How is everybody today? We are on our way to Punxsutawney. As usual, we are starting a little later than we wanted to.
3 hours.
We weren't getting up at 5:42. It's 8:42 now, so it's about an hour and a half drive.
Yeah, roughly.
Yeah, so we're gonna drive up there. We're gonna check out the town. We've driven through it a few times. We've never actually stopped. We're gonna see if we can find the man, the myth, the rodent himself, Phil. See if we can catch a glimpse of him. He supposedly lives at the library, so we're gonna go see if we can find him.
With his wife.
With his wife, yes. We are going to see if we can locate all 32 of the fantastic Phils. We're going to check out Gobbler's Knob. And anything else?
We're going to eat.
Yes.
First stop.
We're going to hopefully, I have not gotten breakfast out to eat in like 6 months. I think March was the last time we ate out breakfast. So I really want somebody other than myself to make pancakes this morning. We are at Phil's in Punxsutawney. This is the first time we've eaten at a restaurant since March, so I'm super excited. This is an everything omelet, and then I got 2 pancakes, and then they have some syrup for the pancakes.
Alright, I got some home potatoes, 2 over easy eggs, wheat toast, and an 8-ounce steak. Can't wait to get into this. This is going to be delicious.
They're like kind of crusty, but then on the inside they're like fluffy. They don't even really need syrup, they're syrup. Nothing left.
I'd say this was a success.
We just got done with our breakfast here at Phil's Family Restaurant, and it was excellent. Now we're going to head downtown. Many of us know Groundhog Day from the 1993 movie about the continual loop of the same day happening over and over. But did you know that Groundhog Day was first documented as being celebrated in 1886? Originally, it was a tradition that was brought to America by Germans, and the Pennsylvania Dutch adapted it to include the groundhog. So since 1886, they've been celebrating it here in Punxsutawney. And it wasn't until 1961 that our little friend Philip there got his name. Up until then, he was just known as the groundhog. And rumor has it that it's the original groundhog since 1886.
So right here is where Phil sees his shadow every year.
I wonder if it's needed.
This is where he hangs out until
That's not a lot of room.
They pull him out. This is where he hangs out. He looks out here and across thousands and thousands of people. You want to talk about stage fright? He never underperforms.
Okay guys, so right now it's just the two of us in this field, but every February 2nd, they manage to pack over 40,000 people into this surrounding area. I'm not sure at what point they start lining up, but I know that if you want to come, you got to get here early. And I'm pretty sure that that might just be the only portalet they bring. We've had friends who have come up and done it, but we have never experienced the excitement of Groundhog Day. Now, if you're watching this video and you're seeing what we've shown you so far, you're thinking to yourself, huh, that's a lot different than the movie. I thought it was filmed in town. Well, you are correct. Fun fact about Punxsutawney and Groundhog's Day, they never even brought the cast here. Okay guys, this is what we are guessing, given the amount of electrical outlets, would be the press boxes. And this might be the national coverage since it's enclosed. And then over here to your right, maybe it's perhaps the local coverage, as it would be exposed to the elements. The problem with Groundhog's Day is it is February 2nd, and in this part of the country, it can be quite chilly. This would be the view.
Like, you can't even really see him if you're in that first booth.
Yeah.
And plus you'd have thousands of people in front of you.
Here you guys go. This is how it goes down every February 2nd. 3 taps of the inner circle president's cane on a stump door, and Phil emerges from the burrow at exactly 7:20 a.m. Now these guys in the top hats are known as Phil's inner circle, and they actually care for him throughout the year. This is Professor Woodchuck's weather wagon. It was created by Jeff Tech welding students in 2006. Check out that sweet hood ornament. That's gotta be custom.
Groundhog Express. Choo choo!
All aboard! Okay, and I just want to clarify for all of the non-Pennsylvania people out there watching about groundhogs, is they might seem kind of cool and kind of exotic, but to us, they're pretty much like possums in the South, they're raccoons. They're everywhere. Last week we actually had one under our porch at the house. So that concludes this week's video of Gobbler's Knob. We spent a little more time there than we had planned, so we're going to end the video here. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, share out to your friends. Next week we're going to go visit the town of Punxsutawney. We're going to look for the rodent himself, Phil. We're also going to see if we were successful on finding all 32 fantastic Phils. And spoiler alert, we eat some ice cream. So we hope you enjoyed it, and that was this week's adventure. Hey Shane, this one's for you.
What'd you find?
Geocache. Without even trying.
You gotta sign the logbook. Didn't even really see him.
Yeah.
This is Derek, and I'm reporting for Wicked News.